Yo, what's going on? It's the 5th of July. It the day after 4th of July. I hope you guys had a good 4th. You didn't get too toe up or you didn't eat too much. If you did eat too much, go head to the gym like I'll be doing later. All right, so we're gonna just go through this week since the trading day is almost over. Currently, it's 11:27 Central Standard Time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over the strategy I use, uh, looking at the daily highs and lows, and then we're gonna go from there. All right. So as you can see, this is NKD, which is Nikkei. So if you look on, let's go. Let's just go. Let's go futures, KD. All right, and then you tap on here, and then you find out the actual contract, which is right now is the NKDU 2004. All right, and go from there. You just add it, and this is what I have right here. All right. So also, if you are new to it, you can also go to. I'm gonna just pull it up right here. You can go to CME Group. All right, and then you can look for products. And let me just move this over here. Your quotes, and then you can just look over here. All right, and it has the quotes, and this is right here. You see, this is pretty much where all the volume is coming at. So this is what we're trading at right here. All right, and so you can go from there. So this one trades at 25. I think it's $25 a tick. All right, so you have to be careful with this one. All right. Reason being is because if you do more than one contract size, and if you trade in a prop firm, you're gonna be in trouble. All right, especially if you have on 100K is like $2,000 loss limit for the day. All right, and then go from there. All right, so let me see. All right, and let's go from there. So look, this is what I do. I go to the daily time frame, right? I go to the daily time frame. Okay, where you at? All right, and what I do, I look at, let's go off of this. Let's boom. Let's get out of this. And you can see this is Friday, right? This is Friday. This is Friday highs and lows. So I'll mark it off. That's the high of, and this goes with any strategy you use. And I'm gonna just show you exactly how I actually get in and out these trades when I use one indicator. All right. So look, highs and lows. This is Friday, and this is, so look, this is what we do. And then we go to, I get in on here. What I do is I'm sorry. All right, let's see. Let's go Thursday, and let's start it right here. So on futures, I don't swing trade because right now I don't have a regular account size for that one, a regular Tradeovate account. I go through Topstep. All right. And then what I do from there is I trade this. I'm sorry, I was hitting this ticker. So I trade this on Topstep, right? So what I do is you can see, or it's daily highs or previous day highs and lows, right? So if you look, this is Monday, this is Sunday. I only trade this one at 9 o'clock. I mean, 7 o'clock, which is 1900 hours. As you can see, it's in the range. So you can trade this in the range, right? So here we go. Let's pull out my handy dandy. Let me move this out the way. All right. The 20 and the 200. That's it. 20 and the 200. All right. That's my SMA. All right. You can see right here. All right. So you can see it broke. This is yesterday. This is the previous day high. Let me bring this down. Previous day high. Previous day low. All right. Let's go step by step. Hopefully I shouldn't have to do this, but previous day high. So you remember, so if you come in late or you score forward, you can see. All right, and right here. Oh, my bad. Let me go. Previous day low. All right. Boom. That's what it is. So this is the 200. See, you can see right now, we wouldn't have knew that it did this, right? Well, we would have knew it from the previous day. So it bounced off, came down. All right, bounced off. But I wouldn't have took the trade right here because this is my no-go zone right here, right? All right, as you can see right here, I always put a little indicator right here. See, that's 1900. Why is it right there? 1900 hours, right? Which is 7 o'clock. All right. So let's just replay this real quick so you can see. All right, and of course, this already happened hindsight, but I'm just trying to show you my strategy. All right, so again, this is the 20 SMA, the 200 SMA. All right, you can see, boom, it came up. This is the 1900 candle right there. Well, let me just make it smaller for you. All right. We're not going to take any trades going up to this way because this is the previous resistance from the day prior. All right, previous day high. You can see, all right, trading is a waiting game. Boom. Came back up. Didn't really touch, but it came back up. So see, it's reversing. All right. And from right here, we want a clean break right here. This is not really clean. All right. Came back up. And let's see if we can get this candle. Boom. This is where we want it. All right. And so we go for 2020 on these Mondays, 20 ticks. All right. Let's see if we can get it. Sell. And you can see right here. That's why I say if you have a small account on your prop firm, you might not want to trade this one because this one, even with one contract, is about for 20 ticks. It's about $500, give or take. All right, it came up, retraced a little bit more, came back down. Keep in mind, this is on the 3-minute time frame, so we scalping, we getting in and out. All right, let's see how it works. Still going, and it's about 2200 right now. Boom, actually got around 2200, which is 10 o'clock. So we got in the trade around 2000, which is 8 o'clock, and got out about 10 o'clock. So good $500 right there. Boom. That's the quick strategy. I remember previous high and low. All right. And then the break of the 200. All right. So I use the 20 because of the simple fact that sometimes it might break below and then come up here. But I believe if it breaks below the 200, it's going to give me a nice change of direction on the 3-minute time frame. All right, let's see. Let's go up to the next one. So from right here, we looking. Let's go. And let's go to, all right. Let's scroll ahead to the next time, the next Asian session. And what are we going to do? We're going to move our previous day high and low. All right, let's see. Let's see where it goes. Let's go to the next Asian session. Here we go. So let's move these candles. Or not candle, move these bars downward. And for pretty much looks like we're going to keep these right here. So all it did was open the range up. All it did was open the range up. Okay, so previous day low, previous day high. All right. All right, so you see right here, and Let's see, where's my 19 hundo right there? As you can see, it broke out. Let's see if this is going to work. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie to you, I can't remember what it did on this day or not, but we about to see. If this is the strategy I would have took it right here, because if you look, it broke above the 200, but it broke above here as well. Let's see if this actually works. Every strategy is not perfect. It's all about risk management. All right, let's see. All right, boom, it broke, and we're up 12 hundo on the, well, about 1,000 on the day. All right, and let's go to the next one. And then same thing you're gonna do. All right, so keep in mind right here, if it retraced a little bit, you wouldn't have took no trade in here. You would have waited to come up, and it's about, since I got this one, I didn't even wait for this one again, but you could have stayed. All right, and then previous day high and low again. Now keep in mind, be careful, because the day prior to a holiday is probably not the best day to trade. All right, and let's go from here. Let's go, keep going, keep going, keep going. As you can see, this is probably our high. Oh, or not. Kept going. All right, so previous day high and previous day low. So this big move right here, and you're already up 1,000 for the week. I probably wouldn't have did nothing on this day. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's see. Me personally, I wouldn't have took this one, because to me, I'd have been like, ah, that's too high for me. So when it gets that high, I leave it alone, especially on a Wednesday. All right, because me personally, if you look, that is a good 160 ticks since the previous day. I'm not gonna mess with it. Once it's that high of a range, I leave it alone. And Wednesday sometimes it's like reversal day, so I leave it alone. And the next, see, this is Tuesday. I'm sorry. So Tuesday, I'd have left it alone after this big move. But as you can see, we probably could have got us one in here too on that Tuesday. We actually could have got us one. Let's see. Let's see. We could have, yep, we could have got us one right here. 20 and 20. We definitely could have got us one. So if you look, that's three days of a trade. All right, let's move on. Definitely still going. I guess it went to top out before the July 4th. All right, let's move to, let's do previous day high. And then previous day low right here. All right. Look right here. When it opened up, I don't know what this mess was right here, but if you're looking right here, 19 hundo, which is Wednesday, and the next day is July 4th. So that's pretty much how I moved throughout the week. Okay. So definitely no, I wouldn't have took this one at all, because it's a Wednesday and I'm just like, nah, that went up too high the previous day. But already we up in it for 1,000. All right, you just have to be careful when you have those big weekly moves and then the day before a holiday like yesterday. All right. So let's move on. It looks like it's going to give us a tight range to break out for the next day. So let's see if we can get us a Friday trade. Oh, nice. Some nice moves on Wednesday. And let's see what we got on. And this is that Thursday. All right. There's highs. Hope y'all follow me. We just going through and doing a little back testing. All right. So this is July 4th. So it broke out pretty high and then came back and then broke down. So you actually, if you traded this day, which I'd have left it alone, you have one right here inside. See how you broke the 20? All right. And broke the 20. All right. These are quick scalps. If you were going to do it. All right. So let's see. So if you would have took this one right here, I'm sorry. So you'd have been, and then we'll go back and do this again. All right. So if you took that one, and then you took, let's see, if you took this one, you would have lost on this date, you would have lost. But then if you would have stayed in and tried to I ain't gonna say revenge, but you right here, you did 20. All right, this is just hindsight trading. All right, did 2020, you would have got your money back. All right, and then if you would have traded this one, and these are scalps. These are all scalps. Let me give it this one. I'm tripping for that. Scalps. All right, boom. All right, and let's move on to Friday. So again, like I said, you're going to lose some. The problem is when you lose, you want to jump back and you have the confidence to get back in the market, or you're going to revenge trade on the next thing you see. All right, let's move to the next one and let's see what we got. Oh, well, I lied. Was this? Yep, Thursday. I'm tripping. So yeah, we wouldn't have did nothing right here. That's ugly. So let's go back and see what we got for the week. And of course, I know you'd have been like, man, why you didn't stay in? That's easy to say. That's definitely easy to say. All right. So if you look right here, and let's go back. Let's go reap. Oh, let's go. Why did we do that? That the Sunday. All right, here we go. Boom, right here. All right, let's widen it out and let's see your statistics for the week. All right. Keep in mind, it goes a lot slower than this. All right. So we sell for one. Right, we get in right here. Hopefully, like I said, what we do is we wait for the break of the 20 or the cross of the 20 and the 21 and the 200. All right. Let's go to all right. One definitely goes a lot slower than this. So your psychology and your patience needs to be there. Definitely for sure. We're still under the 200, so we good. Let's move on to the next one. We currently at about 500. I don't know why it gives me more on the back testing. All right, move to the next one. Takes patience. So if you trade this session, I wouldn't even look at the chart till that night. So you give your full undivided attention to these trades because it's going to take you some time. Sitting here being bored, looking at the chart, setting some alerts and all that good stuff. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right. And watch this. Why is it looking like that? Oh, weird. All right, let's do this. TP. It broke through and TP. Let's see. Now let's go from there. Let's move to the next one. All right. See what we waiting on? We waiting on it to break. Of course, we could have took another one right there, but if you get your money, you roll out. You don't stay to keep trading. You get your money roll. Now, if you lose, then you can stay a little bit longer and see if you can find another setup, which there might be. More than likely, unless it's a Friday, you're going to have another good setup eventually if you just be patient. But you can see, right? Oh, man, you missed all that. I didn't know that market was going to go up that high, and you wouldn't know either. So let's not even fool ourselves and pretend that we would have stayed in that long, all the way up to the next day. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, and all right, here we go. And buy. TP is right here. And SL is right there. Let's see what we got. All right, and another good trade. Let's go to the next one. All right, let's go. It is 1900 right here. Let's see. We bought and SL right there. And we, what? I don't know why it does this on here. No, that's why. All right, let's move on. And it went down. It went up, then it came down and hit our SL. We down 500 or 600. We waited. We like, man, I got to get another trade. It's in between the highs and the lows still. It's bouncing off that 200. Boom. Okay, I got that one late. But let's see how we do. All right. And boom. Nice. All right. And that's the end of pretty much us back testing and how it looked. And this goes into Friday. Let me see. Oh, yeah, Thursday. So one more day. Let's see. And this is just one standard, not one standard, one contract. Okay. Let's go right here. And let's go above here. Caught that one. Again, you out. You done. You don't need to catch nothing else. All right. Catch another trade. You got your 500. We up 26.50 for the week so far. All right. But if you want to catch this one, now you run the risk. You run the risk. All right. So it broke. You see? Sell. TP. Keep in mind when you're trading, your psychology is going through your mind, all this good stuff. And let's go to the next one. All right. So look, 31.75 for the week. And it's Thursday. All right. Keep in mind, look, this happened in about 5 seconds, 5 minutes. Well, not 5, about 30 seconds for us. See, caught this trade. All right. You could have came back and caught this trade a little bit. And then you see it broke. See, it broke right here too. But it's kind of, if you look back to the previous day lows, right here, you didn't really want to mess with that. Boom, it bounced off and then went from there and came down. We caught this one. All right. And let's see where else it goes. I think this is Thursday. But see, this is also, let me show you, and it looks messy. That's why I don't have it on here the whole time. But if you look, let's go. Let me do right here the what did I just say this was? It was the 400. As you can see, this helps me not take that trade sometime too. All right. But as you can see, it broke through right here. And I took that trade. We can take that trade right here. But me personally, I wouldn't even took that trade because I would have got this one and got in and out. All right. And let's see if we can go all the way to the end. And it's the end of the session or end of the week here shortly. And we don't trade during New York session. As you can see right here, 85.71 win rate. The best trade was $900. Profit and cash for the week was $31.75, and that is with a standard contract, one contract size. All right, on Nikkei, and that hopefully showed you exactly how we got $31.75 for the week. All right, as you can see, pretty self-explanatory. See momentum. All right, we see momentum, it went down. You see more momentum, it went up. All right, but like I said, we use our indicator right here. All right. Other than that, I hope you guys have a blessed weekend and have a good trading week next week. I will see you guys next week.